Hi class, I'm Rich Wadowiak. I'm from northern Jersey, right outside of New York. And with starting the program, I just felt it was time. I've been in the field for a while as a residential counselor, employment specialist, also working as integrated case management, helping people kind of get off their feet, get on their feet, and kind of get them situated after they leave the hospital and things like that. I chose Widener. I like their clinical focus and the way their internships are set up and their curriculum in general. And then I also want to do one-on-one counseling primarily. I do, I may want to maybe be an adjunct at some point as a teacher or maybe work in the community as well. And yeah, things like that. And yeah, I just felt it was time. I've been in the field for a while, and I think it's just like the next step forward, part of the evolution process. And plus, I feel like all the experience I have, and just wanting to learn more and things like that, just to kind of help evolve and just take it to the next level and be a clinician, ultimately licensed, hopefully, and just go from there. Thanks.